Let me know if this sounds like you. You are trying to sell Gohighlevel website and SaaS features to your clients, and you made use of these templates in Gohighlevel, which is boring and outdated. And with these boring websites, you'll start doing outreaches to bring in more clients by doing cold calling, cold email, cold SMS, and even spending money on Facebook ads. And after doing everything by spending time and money, you end up with 0 clients. Now you have to reverse engineer it and think from the perspective of your client. Think about this. If you are a client and if someone is pitching a website service to you and their website looks something like these. Bruh. Boring, outdated, and seems like a scam. And after seeing their website, will you trust them enough to give your hard-earned money for their services? And I'm sure the answer will be no. Then how do you think you can get high-ticket clients with your boring website? And that's why I built you guys this sleek, awesome, and high-converting SaaS website for Gohighlevel users and Gohighlevel agency owners. This website got me my first paid website client when I didn't even had any actual portfolio to show to sign the client. And this is how it happened. It's a long story, but I will keep it short. I posted this on Facebook saying free website in exchange of a review because I didn't have any clients, so I thought I'll give out free website in exchange of reviews to get actual clients. And one of my Facebook friend was looking for a website designer and he saw my post at the right time and he reached out to me and we had a chat and he asked me to show my portfolio. And even if he's my friend and even if the website is totally for free, he doesn't want to ruin his brand image while working with the guy who doesn't know what he's talking about. And for this, what I said is, I don't have any portfolio and I haven't worked with the actual client yet, but I made my own website. This is my website. I built this website completely from scratch for my business, and if you work with me, I will give you this kinds of luxury feel to your website. And guess what happened? He didn't just said yes to work with me, he also paid £500. So I got £500 for my first project with this website. I'm pretty sure that some of you guys are going through the same struggle. I got you covered. Let me show you all the features this website has to help you get more high-paying clients. So this is the website which is going to solve all of your problems. First, I'm going to show you the entire website to show you how it looks, and then I'll explain all the features this website has to increase your conversion rate and to get more clients. First, let's talk about the hero section. Of course, it's interactive with this rolling text effect, and I've gotten this question more often on my comment section or on my Instagram. How did I implement this rolling text effect and this rolling logo effect? And people think this is some of the features in Gohighlevel website builder and they ask me where to find this feature. The answer is no, it's a custom CSS code which I built from scratch by coding into the Gohighlevel website builder. Of course, we have this rolling text effect in the hero section for more interactiveness, and we have this graphic half showing up on the top to ask the viewers to scroll down to check what it is. So by making this, we are asking the viewers to go down because more than 80% or 70% of the viewers who come into the website, they spend most of the time on the hero section. If they don't like what they watch, they'll just click off. By doing this, by playing with their dopamine in the head, yes, everyone's dopamine is ruined by TikTok doom scrolling. This is the way you can actually ask your viewers to go check out what you actually have inside your website. And when you scroll down, you see this awesome graphic to show most of the features you are selling in Gohighlevel agency. When you scroll further down, you get to see all the features you can upsell in your Gohighlevel agency, like running email and SMS marketing, creating your own funnel and websites, like launching your e-commerce store. You get the point. You are showing everything in a place which is also interactive with some hover effect on the images. And we also have this interactive button to ask them to try it for free if you are giving them a free trial for 14 days or a month. And then we scroll down further, grow faster, free up more time, because if you put everything in the metric, like show it on a number, people will trust you more. That's why this section is here. You can have the same interactive button over here, and when we go down, this is the main magic happens. You're showing all the services you're doing within your Gohighlevel website in more depth, in more details. Never miss a lead by miscalled text pack, and you're actually showing them visually with the graphic. Same thing with monetize your audience, like making them courses automate your business process, like all the automations you are doing within your Gohighlevel website. People don't know what goes on within the software. If you show them visually what goes on behind the scene, they will trust you, and there's high probability of you signing the client. And up next, get paid effortlessly in just a few clicks. You're showing the payment processing and invoices features inside the Gohighlevel with the cool graphics like this. And up next, optimizing your time by showing them your booking system with Calendly, with the funnels. And at last, we're talking about converting leads into paying clients with ease while talking about funnels and forms inside the Gohighlevel. And as you can see, every section is interactive. When you move your cursor on the top, you'll get a blue halo effect on the border of section, and the section itself turns a bit grayish to be more interactive, and all the buttons have the same hover effects, so to make the viewers being more interactive with the website. And this is one of the other most important section inside the website. Yes, you're not directly working with all the companies who are mentioned inside the website. It says it's an integration tools, but it's a psychology trick. If people look at the well-known company and the logo within your website, it will increase more trust and credibility for you, and you will increase the probability of signing this client and getting paid. And when we scroll down, you have a testimonial section. If you have reviews, client reviews, you can put the reviews inside, and if you don't, ask your friends to help you out with some reviews, and you can put that reviews inside to increase more credibility, because end of the day, you have to fake it until you make it. And up next, pricing option, choose your plan. This section took me a month to build this inside Gohighlevel, because this needs a custom CSS, custom HTML, custom JavaScript. So yeah, it took me a long time, because if you can see, it changes from month to year. And you can also see the section being live. There's a small radiant ball moving across the section to be more interactive and give it a luxury vibe. And of course, all the buttons in the pricing sections are interactive to ask them to pay you the money. And when you scroll down, at last you have this frequently asked questions. You can put the question that you frequently get asked. This section will answer all the questions your client is having, and it will clear all the doubts, and it will reduce the friction between you and the client and you getting paid. And when you scroll all the way down, it's the footer with quick links for home, help center, book a demo, contact us with your company, location, company name, and contact details, privacy policies and terms, connecting Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube if you have one, and the all right reserved, which you should have inside your website. As you can see, this website doesn't just look good and interactive. This website, each and every section is made with human psychology, how to sell your service to clients and how to get paid. I'm pretty sure that if you build enough trust with your clients with this website, you will sign your first client with no doubt. And if you already signed a client, and if you want more clients, I'm pretty sure this will help you as well. If you want this website, you can find this in first link in the description. And if you want to build this website by yourself, you can get the CSS code, second link in the description. And I will see you guys in the next video.